Okay, so I'm here in Unity and I'm just going to show you how the animation importer script works. So I've got this script in my assets folder within the scripts folder, and I'm just going to now go to Blender, and I have this very simple mesh and rig animation that I want to bring into Unity. So I'm just going to select all the objects that I want to be exported. So that's the armature and the meshes. And I'm going to do File, Export as FBX. And then I'm going to maybe name this, Rat Wave Top Hat Animation. You can export this wherever. I find it easiest to export it into a folder that already exists in the Unity project. That way, with the script, it should already automatically create your Animator controller. So I'm going to export it into the characters folder, which, as you can see in the Unity project, is right here. So back to Blender, I'm going to do selected objects and then bake animation, and I'm going to make sure that add leaf bones is not selected. And then I'm going to export FBX. And then in Unity, now, here's our animation, FBX. And then now also in the mechanical animation folder, it should no longer be empty. And it should have created us a animator controller with the animation that is already on that mesh. So as you can see, it's created an animation state, it's hooked it up to the entry state, and it's added the correct motion to the animation. So now all we need to do to use this in our scene is import the FBX into, I've created an empty for it just to make things a little bit neater. And then I'm going to add the animator controller onto the FBX. There we go. And now when I press play, it should just automatically animate. So there you go. As you can see, that works. I also just wanted to show that it works if you just import an FBX into your Unity project normally. So I've deleted the other FBX from our previous test, and as you can see, there's nothing in the mechanical animation folder, but the script is there. Okay, so I can do import new asset, choose this, press import, and here, as you can see, the FBX has now been imported. And as you can see in the mech anim folder, the animator controller has now been created.